Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travels.
And Lori here. Hey, today I'm very proud of myself. I want to show you my little garden here.
Now Lori loves to have her garden here, and she spends a lot of time out here. People say, oh, it looks so easy, but actually she spends a lot of time. You're out here morning and in the evening too.
Yeah, I normally come out early in the morning, you know, kind of pull out the weed a little bit and then go to do something, and about 6 or 7 o'clock I come back to do the cleanup again.
Yeah, so in the morning it's so cute. She'll come out with her bowl and she'll go around the garden and hand pick her different vegetables because she has a variety of vegetables here. So what do we want to do right now?
Well, I want to take the tour to my little garden.
Okay.
Come on, come along with me.
A glimpse of the backyard and Lori's little garden here. What is that, Lori?
It's bitter melon. So I'm gonna cut it, time to cut it.
Wow, now you grew all this, huh?
Yeah. Look how nice it is.
It's beautiful. Looks like a squash, doesn't it?
Yeah, this one I'm gonna save for the seed right here.
Oh, that's a big one, huh?
That's a big one here.
That's a daddy?
That's a mommy.
Oh, it's a mommy. Oh yeah, there's seed. Well.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut some more here.
Oh yeah.
Get a lot more in here.
I see one down here. So what are you picking, Lori?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. That's a different looking eggplant.
Yeah, Cambodian eggplant.
Cambodian eggplant, little Asian stuff. Same with that bitter melon, that's Asian. And it is bitter. Ooh.
This is my little garden right here. So I have ung choy. I have ung choy here. So I just I make it chicken wire because the squirrel eat it. So I have to do protection. And all over here, I have marigold. And here, I have wing bean.
Green bean?
Wing bean. It's wing.
Wing bean, I didn't know that. And
Yeah.
then you got banana back there, I see.
And also I got banana, but it's hard. And then, I don't know what to call this one.
Oh, look at this squash.
It's squash. Get that long.
Oh,
And then it can produce only one for one plant.
okay.
And over here, I got the chili
Chili?
pepper, very spicy. And also lemongrass
Let me see the lemongrass.
right there.
Uh-huh. So you got 2 lemongrass, huh?
Yeah, 2 bushes of lemongrass.
So that's good.
And here I got sweet basil right there. And another kind of chili. I like the chili. It's Mexican chili, but when I eat it, doesn't hurt my stomach.
Okay.
So, but it's still spicy. And green onion almost gone. Over here I have little cilantro. The reason I put in the chicken wire around because the squirrel eat it, my cilantro. And also the ung choy, the same thing. So they eat to the ground. So I put the chicken wire around. And here is baby broccoli. I save for the seed. It's right here. Because here they don't have it, so I have to save for the seed. Also, here I have little mint. I just start to grow, it's about 2 weeks ago. And I just starting. And I have again sweet basil. And also this is curfew lamb tree. So it can go bigger. But this is for the Thai people like to use for fish cake or tom yum, you know, all that. It smells very good.
Good in soups.
Good in soup, good in the curry.
Mm-hmm.
And the stew.
So you have an Asian garden out here.
Yeah, also I have again marigold.
And marigolds flowers typically in Asia, that's good luck, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what they say. Marigold is good luck.
So you've got...
Dao Rương, that means very beautiful and good luck and heavenly.
Uh-huh.
And here is parsley, and it just grow crazy here. Beautiful. And also, I hope my little papaya gonna come out have papaya for me. I've been trying for 3 years. I didn't get any papaya yet. 3 years. So now I moved different location. So I hope I can get some papaya come out.
Hey, Lori, why don't you show them your flower garden over here?
Okay.
Let me get this light up. Oh, too much. Wait. Okay.
Well, also, I not only have a vegetable garden, so I have the flower garden too. I love it. Let's see here. I put on my ear. That's the way that's me. That's Lori. Oop. Sorry. Look at my beautiful pink and orange rose here. Beautiful, isn't it?
Boy, you take a lot of care on that, huh, honey?
Yeah. Also, on that side, I have a dill.
Dill, okay.
Yeah, look at over here. Come around. This is my dill bush.
Oh, dill.
You see that?
Yeah. A lot of people think it's dill only in dill pickles, but you eat it like in a salad, don't you?
Yeah, I just put in a salad and eat like, you know.
Yeah. And looks like you got, what is this, a lime tree?
Oh,
Orange.
this is orange tree here.
Orange tree. Okay.
It's come with the house.
Uh-huh.
This kind of plant is a Mexican tree plant. They say it's good for the fish, but I never cook it.
Okay.
I love it. I just plant it here.
Okay, now over here, this is ginger?
This is galanga. That's the one that go in the tom kha khai as a Thai food. So go in the curry paste.
Okay, it's another Asian food that goes in the curry.
It's gorgeous.
A little kefir lime over here, don't you? No, it's a lemon. No, what is it?
That's a calamansi.
Calamansi. Again, something from the Philippines, huh?
Uh-huh.
Little orange like that. Makes a great drink when you have a cold or the sore throat with lemon and honey.
Here, I just picked my bitter melon right here. So you can see, oh, shit, sorry. You can see all of this. I got the whole bucket, maybe about 2 or 3 kilo. You know, that's the first pick.
Eat healthy, Laurie. You eat healthy.
Yeah, it's fresh from garden.
Yeah, very fresh. And organic.
It is organic. I have no spray. I hope you like my little garden. Please subscribe. It's free. What do you think about that? It's good, right? Subscribe, yeah! And make a comment or thumb up.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks.